Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Kris. Today I will be doing a wash and go featuring Africanpride's product. I am going to begin on freshly washed hair. I've washed my hair maybe 30 minutes ago, and as you can see, it's almost completely dry. Y'all excuse me while I chew this gum like it's the last meal on earth. I don't know what I was thinking. So I've already spritzed my hair with water off camera, and I'm going to be going in with Africanpride's Marster Miracle Leave-In Cream. It smells so good. It's not too strong. I just love the way it smells. I am following up with the curling cream. My hair is extremely soft right now. These two products has my hair so soft. I decided to add the Eco Curl and Style Cream. I'm not too sure how I feel about it just yet. Okay, so I'm starting to see the curls. I'm starting to like what I see. So I decided to start adding more product, and I started to see a big difference. I'm like, girl, why are you being so cheap and so stingy? If you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel or liked this video, girl, what are you waiting for? Come and join hundreds of beautiful queens who have joined my tribe. I don't know what I was thinking by starting off from the front instead of the back. I don't know, I think this gum messed with my brain or something. Let me know in the comment section if there are any styles you would like me to try or hair products that you would like me to do a review on. So now I am all done. I promise y'all I am not going crazy. This is what I do to keep my hair from sticking to my scalp. So it is the next day and I am feeling these curls. Your girl not only look like a snack, but my hair smells like one too. Look at these curls, y'all. Look at these curls. I've added another clip so y'all can see the con of using the Eco Curl and Style Cream. As you can see, it left lots of white residue in my hair, but overall it looks good. I didn't get to get a picture of the back because it ended up raining and my hair puffed up. Now is the time to support your girl by hitting that subscribe button and clicking that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you lovelies next week.